Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to install live server in VS Code directly to run your HTML, CSS and JavaScript files. So simply go to extensions and simply type live server. So this is a very popular extension developed by Ritvik Day. It's got almost 81 million installs. So it actually launches a local development server inside and opens your applications directly in the browser locally. It's got almost 81 million installs. So every developer has this extension installed. So once you install VS Code, the very first extension that you need to install, which is live server, click the install button. It directly installs. It doesn't take too much time and it's completely free. And once you install this, you will get a notification that the extension is installed. So then you need to create a simple HTML file. So just wait for the installation to finish because it's a big extension. So they also have the second extension as well, live server, which is 5 server. It's got 3 million, but you do need to install the first extension, which is developed by this person, Ritvik Day. So, so once it is installed, you can create any file here. It will add an option to open with live server. Once you right click HTML file, this will get added once the extension is installed. I don't know why it is taking too much time, but inside your system, it will install it just in 5 to 10 seconds. I don't know why it is getting now. As you see, it is installed. So now if I go to any HTML file right here, simply right click and you see this option guys of added. Let me show you, open with live server and stop live server. These two options are actually added through this live server extension, and simply select open with live server. It will create a live development server. As you see, localhost 5500 will be the default port number, and this is your HTML file. And let me simply side by side try to edit, and let me add another paragraph. As soon as I change the code guys, instantly it will be replicated. It will be automatically the changes will be reflected back. So this is actually a completely live server. You don't need to refresh the page. It will automatically be run once you make changes. If I make this to green, you will see it also works with CSS properties as well. And if I try to write some JavaScript here, it will also work for that as well. So let me add a alert statement. So as you see, I'm typing it automatically. It is compiling your JavaScript and running it. So you will see that hi world, the alert statement is also showing. So if you are making any kind of local client side application, it also works with React, Angular, Vue as well. So any client side framework application you're developing, this live server extension works with it as well. So you can see that. So as you see, it's simply now if you do want to stop this server, you can click stop live server. So now it is successfully stopped. Again, you can click open with live server. Again, it will get started. So in this way, if you delete something, add something, automatically the changes will be reflected back. So this is a nice extension guys. Definitely install this live server from Ritvik Day. You can even change properties as well by clicking the manage button inside settings. Click on the button, and or you can simply have the shortcut key Control Shift P. So this will open this terminal section. Simply search for live server. So these options will come right here for opening with live server, stopping everything. So definitely check this extension out, guys, and install this.